It only works on that paper.
It's a long one. How many inches?
21? I don't remember. It's on her thingy board. 20 and 3/4.
20 and 3/4.
Oh, paint is in the brush. No water. That's just right. Yeah.
There it was a good size.
How much was
8.2.
oh,
Oh, there you go.
Boy, she is really protesting. Yep, it works. Nothing wrong with her lungs.
No. Get used to it, Dad.
All right, Peanut, let's check your mouth.
She gave it to Dad last night when I was taking a bath. Before that, all she did was whine.
her eyes are open.
Oh,
Yeah, flick around here.
all right, sorry.